Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Limited, stock number E2251P. 46,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright white in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. There's Pacifica seats 8, leather interior. DVD players flip up from the front seats. Stone Go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Windows do go down in the sliding doors along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera along with rear parking sensors and trailering package. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Power stowing rear seats. Fold with the push of a button. Giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. You can also reverse and go into the upright position with the push of a button as well. And very clean, as you can see, no dents or dings in the body. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. Middle row seats. Outboard seats are also heated. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that button start. Large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as ventilated front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And then is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 9-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial. Hard keys for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect media devices. DVD player. And lots of storage in the center console. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, power liftgate and sliding door control. And homely transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Pacifica has a 3.6 liter V6, 287 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles to the gallon and a city average of 28 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Pacifica, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.